What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add or embed your Google Calendar on your Wix website. So here, as you can see, I have my Google Calendar and I'm signed in with my account. Now you have your calendars here on the left. Just go to the calendar you want to embed, let's say this one for example. Click on the three dots next to it and then click on settings and then go to integrate calendar and you should find the embed code. Just select it and copy it. Now what you want to do is to go to your Wix here website, and here I have my websites that I created earlier. Click on edit site and it'll open up the website in the page editor or the web editor, for example. Click here on add and add a section to the page, and from the menu here on the left scroll down a bit till you see HTML embed and you see the available sections. Choose the one you like. I'll choose this one. Add it here, and in the HTML window just go to HTML code and then paste the code right here, and if you wait a bit it'll show up here the calendar view, and that means your calendar is embedded.